What's up, guys? Back for another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're answering a question I've got a few times recently in the past few weeks. So we're talking about how to add a quick background behind your text. It's real fast, it's real easy. Let's jump in Resolve. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so I want to put some text down here on my video clip. So let's head on up to our effects library. Oh, I'm in the edit tab here, so make sure you're in the edit tab. Effects library right here at the top of the screen. We're gonna come to titles, and I want to use my basic title right here. Now we do have the text plus. This one is just the text right here. So I click it, drag it down into my timeline, and we see the basic title pop up here. I'm gonna just add in some text here. We're gonna say puppies. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit here. So when you use this regular text title, just make sure you've got it highlighted in your timeline, and you can come into the inspector, scroll down, and right here you've got background. Just double click on that to open it up if it's not open. And if I increase the height, boom, there's our quick background. I adjust the width of it. And there you go. We've got a quick background just like that. Now you can customize it. You can change the color a little bit. You can change the opacity if you want. You can add in a outline to it if you want. You can change the color of that outline. You've got lots of options to change it really quickly right here in the inspector. You don't have to jump into Fusion, do any kind of crazy, things to just get that background, and you can make it fit your text, whatever you're trying to put in there. And as a bonus tip, if you just look in the inspector here, you've got drop shadows. You can add in a little drop shadow, right? So let's say I don't want the background, but I want a little drop shadow. You can move the drop shadow wherever you want. That's pretty sweet, and it's easy and quick to add. You can also add in a stroke to your letters, to your text. Again, super easy. You don't have to jump into Fusion. You don't have to do anything crazy. Just use that basic text, drop it in there, and you're good to go. Now, what if you want it to be a little bit fancier, right? You want to fade in, fade out. Just click on your clip, grab the little icon here that's at the top right and left of your clip, drag it in, however long you want to fade it in for, and then your text will just fade in. There you go. So lots of cool, quick, easy things you can do with your basic text right here in Resolve. You don't need to get into Fusion, get all fancy with it. So hope this was helpful for you guys. A little Quick Tip Tuesday for you. So we'll be back next week with another Quick Tip Tuesday and with more DaVinci Resolve content coming your way. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!